Alright, we're up here at Microwave DH in Haas. If you got AT&T, you should get great service here. I just biked up this thing. It looks like pretty much steep kitty litter going down with a couple rock rolls. So, oh yeah, she's definitely kitty litter. Kind of fun though. Turn loose. Ooh, bouncy. Oh. Really? This roll, that's a jump. Oh, there's some slippy bits. Definitely not the toughest double black, but fun. There's like a 4-foot rock roll here. I don't know if I'd hike a bike to do it again, but it was fun. If you're here, you can get 3 red or double black trails in one lap with a little work, so it was worth it in that regard. I just don't know if I'd do it again just to go, but I'd do it once for sure.